Open up Stonehenge. You know what? I just want to know how they did it, how they built them. That's all I care about. I've been there once or twice. If you get a chance, you should go. They are quite interesting. But you should go at the summer or winter solstice because they have interesting stuff going on during those days. Anyway, it's on a background. See it up here? I want to enhance it somewhat. I don't know what yet, but I want to enhance it. So we're going to go into Effects. We've already looked at the Smart Brush, which is pretty cool. In Effects, basically what we have is filters, styles, effects, these three. Let's concentrate in this lesson just on filters. Now you can choose to see them all or just look at a particular set. Slows it down a little bit for you. I'm going to put all of them up there again for us. Over here, if you click this button, you can choose to have a large thumbnail, which I have, which will make them easier for us to see. You can hide the names if you don't want to use one. So let's go ahead and just leave that alone for now. What do we do? How do we apply them? Well, you just basically double click on one. So if we want to do accented, double click it. This is the cumulative effect. So if I do accented and then I decide to do base relief, it's going to be accented with base relief or accented with blur or accented with chrome. It adds to them. Now, if you don't want to do that, go ahead and just undo. That's the easiest way to get rid of them. Just like that. Now, here's clouds. Some of these are pretty evasive, like that one, as a matter of fact. And we come back out of that one. You can try these in combinations, just about anything that you want, but what is it doing, in a sense, to the image? That's kind of interesting. If we go back into layers, it is applying it to the actual image itself. Okay, so it's actually applying it to the image. So we have a destructive editing kind of issue going on here. So remember that when you're using effects, that effects are applied to the literal image itself. Now let's go ahead and undo. Let's go ahead and close this one out. Don't save it. Go back to the organizer. In the next lesson, we're going to grab some control out of these things, and even though it's changing the original image, we're still going to get some control.